Imagine being given the chance to pursue your PhD in one of the world's fastest growing hubs of innovation in a country that has transformed itself into a symbol of modern science, technology, and progress, the United Arab Emirates. What if I told you that Khalifa University, one of the UAE's premier research institutions, is opening its door for you, offering a fully funded PhD scholarship for spring 2026 with complete financial support, cutting edge facilities, and opportunities to shape the future through groundbreaking research? This isn't just another scholarship, this is a life changing opportunity, and in this video, I am going to walk you through everything you need to know about the Khalifa University PhD scholarship, from funding details and eligible fields to application tips, deadlines, and strategies to stand out as a strong candidate. So stay with me until the end because this could be the beginning of your journey towards becoming a global researcher and innovator. Khalifa University is not just a university, it's a powerhouse of research and innovation in the Middle East. Consistently ranked among the top universities in the region, it has built a reputation for fostering cutting edge research, interdisciplinary collaboration, and global partnership with leading industries. When you step into Khalifa University, you are not just entering classrooms, you are entering a world class research environment equipped with advanced labs, state of the art technology, and professors who are leaders in their field. The university is strategically located in Abu Dhabi, a city that symbolizes modernity, innovation, and ambition for students. This means access not only to academics but also a thriving ecosystem of industries, startups, and global collaborations. That's why this scholarship is more than funding, it's your gateway to one of the most progressive academic environment in the world. Now let's get into the details. Host country is United Arab Emirates. Institution Khalifa University. Program level doctoral, PhD. Funding status fully funded. Intake spring 2026. Application deadline September 15, 2025. Now here is the best part. This scholarship is open to both international students and UAE nationals. So whether you are from Asia, Africa, Europe, or anywhere in the world, you can apply. Let me tell you, it is one of the most generous in the region, with total funding exceeding $10,000 per student throughout the program. So what exactly does this funding package include? Let's break it down. Academic support. Full tuition fee coverage. You won't pay a single dirham for your education. Free textbook and essential learning materials. Full access to advanced laboratories and cutting-edge research facilities. Living allowances and accommodation. On-campus housing or a housing allowance if you prefer to live off campus. Comprehensive health insurance to keep you covered. A generous monthly stipend to support your daily living expenses. Travel and visa assistance. Round-trip airfare for international students, complete visa application and processing fee coverage, support with all immigration procedures to make your transition smooth. Imagine all your academic and living costs fully taken care of, allowing you to focus entirely on your research and studies. This is why the Khalifa University PhD scholarship is considered one of the most competitive and prestigious awards in the Middle East. Now let's talk about the fields of study. Khalifa University offers doctoral degrees across 3 major colleges, giving you a wide range of opportunities to specialize in the field that matches your passion. College of Engineering and Physical Sciences. Aerospace, chemical, civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and nuclear engineering, petroleum engineering, chemistry, physics, earth sciences, material sciences, engineering systems, and management. College of Computing and Mathematical Sciences, Computer Science, Robotics, Computer and Information, Engineering, and Mathematics. College of Medicine and Health, Biomedical Engineering, Biomedical Sciences, Molecular Life Sciences, Public Health. So whether your dream is to design the future of robotics, lead breakthroughs in biomedical sciences, or work in sustainable energy, there is a place for you here. Now let's move on the eligibility. Who can apply for this scholarship? For applicants with a master's degree, a bachelor's degree in a relevant field with at least 3 out of 4 GPA, a master's degree with at least 3.25 out of 4 GPA. Research experience or publications are highly desirable. For direct PhD entry without a master degree, a bachelor's degree with a minimum GPA of 3.5 out of 4, evidence of strong research potential through coursework and performance. Standardized testing. GRE is required with a minimum quantitative score of 150. All sections, verbal, quantitative, and analytical writing must be completed at an official test center. English proficiency requirements: TOEFL IBT 91, IELTS Academic 6.5, EMSAT 1550. Exemptions may be granted if you are a native English speaker or a graduate from an English medium university. So yes, the requirements are high, but remember, this is a world-class scholarship and they are looking for the best of the best. If you meet these criteria, you are already stand a strong chance. Now let's go through the documents you will need to prepare: academic records, official degrees and transcripts, equivalency certificate from UAE Ministry of Education if applicable, GRE and English test results. Personal documents: valid passport plus passport size photos, UAE visa and ID, updated CV or resume, UAE family book. This is for UAE nationals only. Statements: statement of purpose explaining your academic goals and career objectives, research proposal showing your knowledge of the field and your intended contributions, references to strong recommendation letters from academic or professional contacts. And finally, if shortlisted, you will be invited to an interview either in person or virtually if you are applying from abroad. So how do you apply? Here is the step-by-step process. Prepare all the required documents in the correct format. Submit your application through Khalifa University's official online portal. Upload supporting materials like transcripts, test scores, statements, and references. Wait for an initial interview by the admission committee. If shortlisted, attend the interview, receive the final decision and your scholarship offer. Late or incomplete applications will not be considered, so mark your calendars. The deadline is September 15, 2025. Now you might be thinking, why should I choose Khalifa University? Here is the truth. This isn't just a scholarship, it is an investment in your future. The UAE is positioning itself as a global hub for technology, space exploration, renewable energy, and medical research. By joining Khalifa University, you are not only earning a PhD, you are becoming part of this future. Think about it. Your tuition, living costs, travel, and even visa expenses are fully funded. All you need to bring is your passion, hard work, and determination. If you have ever dreamed of making an impact, whether by inventing technology, improving healthcare, solving energy problems, or contributing to science, this scholarship is your platform. Remember, opportunities like this are rare. Many people will dream about it, but only those who take action will succeed. And maybe, just maybe, this could be your chance to make history. So there you have it, the complete guide to the Khalifa University fully funded PhD Scholarship 2026. Applications are now open and the deadline is September 15, 2025. If you are serious about pursuing research at the highest level in one of the most dynamic regions of the world, then don't let this opportunity slip away. Share this video with friends and colleagues who might also benefit, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss updates on scholarship and opportunities like this one. Your journey to become a global researcher start here.